Hi, besties. Lori here. How's everybody? I have a great show for you. I have a lot to talk about. We're going to start off with something fun, creative, and I have a 18 by 24 black canvas. I am also using black base coat. This is just Artist Loft black. Is that black? Yeah. So I'm going to do a simple flip cup. If you guys have you ever done that before? Is it easy for you? Do you like it? Yes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my favorite colors in the whole wide world, and some of them have a little bit of a story to it. So we're going to talk about that. I want to also tell you that, first of all, some of my best, just plain old stretching, whether it be using your cup acrylic or your some of my most beautiful paintings that I've created already, I've stretched them. I haven't embellished them. I haven't added texture. I haven't done anything. It was just plain old stretching. I use this to layer on my little silicone cupcake holders, or I do flip cups. It's very easy to create. And you know what? I tell you, these on the back wall are just flip cups or stretching. If you can, you want to pan around slowly. So yeah, so it's very easy to really make a beautiful piece of art without being too complicated. Now, I want to also tell you that the last two videos I created, and they haven't been published, I did it with my hair down, and I got hair on in my painting. so, so note to self: new trend, new trend, honey. New trend. You don't need to add texture to your painting, just add hair. So, give me 2 seconds. I'm going to put my hair up. Larry, stop it. My husband in the back is dancing. He's being silly. So I don't tape my canvases, honey. I don't tape my canvases because I like, if you're not going to frame, I mean, you can if you want, but I like to see the pour on the sides, and also it's also I spray this. I take my fine mist sprayer, spray it. You want it to tighten up. My base coat, acrylic Artist Loft black, with my concoction of pouring medium, a little gack. And we're gonna put that on there. I've seen people use blow dryers. I've seen people use spatulas. I find these little chip brushes work so beautifully, and they're easy. They don't stress me out because I never miss anything. Your painting is fully covered. Now, if you're making a painting that has negative space in it, yes, then you got to tilt it, use your blow dryer, make it thinner than what it is now. But right now I'm covering the whole canvas with my colors. So a little. Did I get you? You okay? Yes. Pop your bubbles. And I'm going to show you the colors I'm using. First color I'm using is Golden's Ultramarine Violet. I'm out of this one. I need to buy more, but this is Apple Barrel's Spring Green. This is a beautiful color. One of my favorite colors since I was little. This is Deep Magenta Artist Loft. This was actually a color I used as a bridesmaid's dress for myself when I got married. Speaking of that, I am 2 weeks away from my wedding anniversary. And Deco Arts Metallic Peacock Pearl. This is another pretty one. I like this one. This is one of the better golds out there. I've used a lot. There's only two that I care for. This is Essentials in gold ore. As of right now, I'm trying out a lot of new paints, but this is my favorite. Okay, so got a basic. I think this is about 16-ounce cup. I'm just going to layer this. You want to be conscious, mindful of your colors. You don't want to put, if you're using extreme colors, you want to watch, red and blue make purple. Red and green make brown. Red and green make brown. You watch your color wheel. Don't want to be a mud mixer. Don't want to be don't want to be a mud mixer. Did you hear that? My little husband in the back, stinker. Okay. So the cup's not full, so we're just gonna. What I do is I grab the bars in the back and I just kind of flip it. I've seen people. You can do whatever you want, whatever you feel comfortable. They take a flat spatula, tip it over, do what you want. It's your painting. So what I do one of these. Easy. I centered. And we're going to lift. There's going to be a little section. And here I grab the bar on the opposite side and start tilting. Corner to corner. That's going to be pretty. Oops. Now I have negative space here, here, here. That's okay. And I wanted the black background. I know some people like it in white. I like it in black because I love the contrast. This looks like something you see in a nightclub or a haunted house. I have some baby wipes. Let me just torch this, get all the bubbles out, and then we'll see where we're at. That is so pretty. I love the movement and the cells. Once it dries, it's going to create, look at the forward movement. I had it tilt forward. That is so cool. That would be excellent to have in an office, you know, somebody's. Oh God, really? So that happens sometimes. I love the movement upwards, and then it did create negative space. Now since I tilted it, the the base coat evened itself out. I just wanted to pull this dark out a little bit. It's beautiful. Okay, guys. So I'm not going to touch it anymore. What do you think? How do you like this one? I would love. This is my husband. You know him from other videos the other day. This is what he was doing behind the scenes. All right. So, anyways, anyways, guys, it was nice to see you all again, and stay tuned for the next video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and all that yummy stuff. So, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.